Hi guys, thank you for joining this tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make a foxtail as well as how to dye fur. So to get started, I've taken the liberty of designing the shape that I want my tail to be and drawing that shape on the back of my faux fur. Then I folded my fur over and cut out my design so that I have two identical mirrored pieces. As a side note, I've made sure that the grain of my fur is going downward in the correct direction. I then placed a trash bag under my workspace, as you can see, and I do suggest that you do the same because this project can get quite messy. So step 2 is to grab your disposable bowl if you have one. If you don't have one, you can use plastic wrap to line the inside of your bowl as I've done here. When you're all done, you can grab your paint and empty about 1/4 of the bottle into the bowl. You can choose whatever color you like. For my Maid Marian costume, I chose the color burnt orange. And next you can grab a large mug of steaming water, not boiling but steaming, and empty about 2 cups of water into your bowl. Your mixture should have a slightly milky texture, but it shouldn't be too thick. Step 3 is to grab your gloves and get ready to brush off any excess fuzz from your fur using a pet brush. Next, you can take your sponge and gently dip it into your bowl, dragging the paint down the length of your tail and along the grain. Step 4, take your pet brush once more and brush against the grain and then again with the grain to ensure coverage. At this stage you can take a blow dryer to your tail as well while you brush to speed up the drying process. Step 5, with the insides of your pieces facing each other, you can stitch them together by hand using your embroidery thread. You might want to leave a generous hole at the top as well to fill with stuffing, and then you can close it off by completing your stitching. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe, as well as visit me on social media. See you next time!